Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for January. Really cute bag this month, and one of the items is a brush. Didn't fit in the bag, but I noticed it pretty much matches it. Same color and has a little bit of the gray running through it, so it's really pretty. Has a pink and white ombre, little bristles. Very cute. So that's one item. Card says clean slate. List of products on the inside. And the first item I'm pulling out is by Nomad. I believe this is an eyeshadow. And Desert Sands is the shade. So if it's a brown, like pictured, I will like it because that's my favorite kind to use. Favorite color, at least. Yeah, it's a nice kind of copper color. So I'll definitely use that. Next up, by Perlice, this is Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. It says it gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes. Cool. So we have that. And then I also have Lash Next Door. Brooklyn and Bailey. Have not tried that before. I don't even think I've heard of that brand, but the brush is pretty interesting. Kind of has like scattered bristles. So excited to try that out. I'm really picky about mascara, and I often don't like a lot of the mascaras that I try, so we'll see. And then we have a liquid eyeliner. Yeah, that's nice. And thin, and I can always use a black eyeliner. So happy to have that. Most of, all these products I will use, so not bad bag this month. They did recently increase the price a little bit, but I still think it's worth it. You get a bag and at least 5 products in there, and I've been subscribed for years and I like it. So if you guys are interested in joining, I will leave my link below in case you'd like to sign up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.